Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Hey people, can you guys believe that Niah was unalive last year, right? And up to until the 3rd month in this year, him not bury yet. Boy, I tell you, I when him go bury, I when. You don't know the date because me don't know it right now. See, so this man come out and him talk some things about Niah father, and also I think Niah mother also, right? And him talk about persons wanting to unalive Niah, and Niah mother never opened her doors to him. So me I go share that with Uno, and me Uno advise no parent no parent for like have a youth and your youth maybe mix up a man one dash him and you have him in your place unless you live far or foreign and you know that serious, you can take him with you. But when you come to Jamaica, them are youth and easy, so no one do. We also have Switzerland, my people. Like him catch up with a family member. Not really catch up, because you know Switzerland, him not really in the cousin vibes. Him we talk what depend in mind and what him not like. You see me I say, but that's it. So me I go share with Uno, because come like say him get him things them dash out. People, me don't know, but me I go give my opinion on that, because Switzerland feel a way over what happened to him. Well, when we reach there, so we go over the bridge, see? Also, people who have World Dog and Box TV, them link up, and you know what I mean? Box TV, them a talk about the whole people getting sent home and them something. They don't know, so right now, the immigration, them have squash, right? Them all on him. So, me hear somebody say it's a miracle for him get away. But you know, say him have him little money still, and what him can do, I get somebody good to represent him. You know what I mean? If there's any other way where him can give a little money to somebody and secure him spot to get free up, you know what I mean? Him can do that same way. But blame them even expose all heap of the things them say the dog don't really have money like that. And I can't see why blame them say that, because him can't. At least the other day him did perform in New York still. You know what I mean? And I think also Florida, I don't remember, but I know say they perform somewhere. Because them say him not no papers. So oh man without papers put on big show. And that them say no. But maybe him did have a work permit where him could have used. But right now, me here on the spot say him not have no status. You see me? That's why them all on him. But remember he did married, so that can't help him out still. But the thing them, the GUN, where them find, and him did have a previous situation with the officers them also, so maybe all of them there's something they pile up together, we send him home. But me not tell you to say yo this man here get sent home, because I'm lucky off. You see me? So we have Shebada, my people, and Shay. You know what I mean? From what day I say Shebada and Shay link up regularly. It seems to me like Shay a push up in a Shebada still, because we did see a screen record with Shebada say like somebody I tell himself he add Shay. And he must say him we add Shay when him feel like him now go add Shay every minute over him. You know what I mean? Platform, whatever. You see me I say? So right there, so show you say Shebada no really I go make for him think about him and Shay, but him add Shay a couple of the time. You know what I mean? So I think Rosalie did say wait for the bring down, because Shay and Shebada thick. Wait for the bring down later on. So I wanted to tell me what I think. If you don't feel like say this a friendship you go mash up and war I go on later on from this, or you don't feel say it a go mash up like almost every other TikTok friendship. You understand? So we have these things in people, and maybe other things as we go along, so make we get united.
Joshua, me glad say you make them know say you no want no apology from nobody and you no come on TikTok for play a match and for rank. You come on TikTok for promote your soap business. So everybody know we see a TikTok we trending, where I get the love, when I run down the hype, when I run down the fame, them want promote themselves and self-growth like Joshua. Joshua, the disrespect when Miss Triple disrespect, you're brawling. And then I try to cover it like she never did. Me say it already. Jayden was so surprised that Miss Triple even make the utterance out of her mouth. Say she don't know who Joshua is. Right? Alright. Miss Triple, you know you not surprise me. Because me remember not so long ago, when you are woman on TikTok, one of the hottest girl them on TikTok. And when you pick them figure at school, the whole TikTok come down by you and say, Miss Triple, oh, you buy them, yeah? For you pick them graduation and school and all kind of something when you look up on TikTok, woman. So it goes to show you have some real selfish people in the world, yeah, where them only secure themselves. Miss Triple, everybody want to make money on the app. Everybody want to live good. But Miss Triple, I know everybody come on the app with bad mind. How long people know J Progress on TikTok? You know see me a try rank? You know see me a go live? Because me know the corruption and the bad mind we in a ranking. Look. You understand me I say? Me no go the route there. Because next thing, Joshua start rank now, bad mind attack him and tear down the youth page. With him 200,000 followers them. Joshua, you see the lane where you're in a youth, stay in it. Don't put on an indicator, Joshua. Because you not change the lane. Joshua, do not put on no indicator. You don't even need indicator. Panda up your Joshua because you not change the lane. Stay in the lane where you're there, Joshua, and your family them. Half grid, normal out, humble, and make the love come to you. And promote your soap business. Make Triple them go and stay there. That's what them dep on the app for do. Tear down them one another every day. Miss Triple, you see? You want to go, they go do body. You want to fly here, there, and everywhere else. Miss Triple, you know say other people they want to rise on the app too. But you know what you do? You lock the gate on them from early. First of all, it's very few rankers you will ever see play with a little upcoming ranker. You're never happy if you play with Joshua because you know in your heart say him get a trending and you don't want to help give him no strength. But tell you what, him already get the love already. Miss Triple, you can't tap it. The youth blessed, the youth humble. Where you are run down and where the youth are run down. The youth they on TikTok to promote him soap business. And him get an overwhelming piece of love when never did I expect. But guess what? Who no want to stop him in them tracks? Miss Triple, there is nothing but a big old bad mind girl. Remember when me tell you that? People like Uno, if you come off of the app and come down. Make some people, if you get a chance in a life, get a chance on the app. Because Uno do not more than spread bad mind and hold down and them kind of thing there on the app. Me tell you already, you know, Uno make little young TikTokers give up on TikTok. Uno make some young TikTokers never want try and send a request to a ranker. All a ranker would accept them. But because of the energy we want to give off Miss Triple, make a young YouTuber don't even want to send a request to a ranker. And probably the ranker did not feel like you, Triple. But yeah, when you play with no peer, because when you come on TikTok every day, and you make money and nobody else not make money. Miss Triple, your time has come. A whole heap of people miss come on TikTok and rise and fall. And with it bigger than you, Miss Triple. A lie me a tell? A lie me a tell? Check out Brittany Golf. Believe in me tell you that.
Everybody, thank you very much for 284.9 thousand followers. You do an excellent job of following me. By the time tomorrow, me probably got 290,000. So, thank you very much for following me. You know, me just reached 200,000 followers like January. Yeah, we are doing very good. 280,000 followers. Imagine that. You know, my followers them go up so fast in the past couple of days. It surprised me. Yeah. Me wake up this morning and say 280,000 followers. And yesterday I talk about 270,000. So thank you very much for follow me. And me also want to thank all of you who order soap from me. Thank you very much. I hope the soap them help on the skin, and I hope you love them. And I also hope say if you buy pain cream, say it help you with any pain you have. Thank you very much for follow me. And if you not try soap them yet, please click the link in my bio, go to our website, and you can place an order. If you have any skin problem, the soap them can help you. And if you have any pain or even one bug bite like this, I don't even know what it is, but I put pain cream on it. And you see, it mostly heal. This just showed up this morning, you know. I want to bump, I put pain cream on it. And pain cream always seems to heal my face very fast. Even though if you have acne, you want to get yourself an acne starter pack.
Alright, so as me hear a lot of people give Joshua advice to stay away from the people on TikTok, that's good advice. You know what I mean? Because the way how him live and film lifestyle, it now gonna mesh good with the people on TikTok. Right? Him in the business of making money, but not me say him now want every and any money, and him now gonna do certain things in the you would have said just to make money. Right? He want promote him soap business that are making money. If him dep on TikTok or match with people and he make money, so be it. But him now run down the whole heap of money, and him now try to be out there popular and run down fame and hype. Right? What we have to understand in our life, say not all gifts, not all good gifts come in a pretty wrapper and whatever. Saying because one person just wanna thank, I mean I think him did a thing for thank that person there is Miss Triple. And the reason why we say him should have thank Miss Triple is because you can't thank even your enemy them, you know. Yeah man, you can't thank them man, cause some of the time you're in your comfort zone and them push you and you happen to find a new way to go at life and reap success. What Miss Triple do is send him viral. If Miss Triple did match with him, that would have gone nowhere. What Miss Triple do, send him viral. You hear what him come say? How much followers him get right now? Him there 300K followers. You understand? Because that video a couple days back. But right now I just saw him there. So you see right now, who never did know him, as Miss Triple says, she never know him. We don't know, right? But she sent him viral, so she I forget her props also. So let me know what you guys think. You know what I mean? We're gonna watch someone then get into the rest.
Yeah, if you have hyperpigmentation, you want to get a hyperpigmentation starter pack. If you have eczema, you can get an eczema starter pack. So just go on our website and search a skin problem in a search bar, and you're going to find the product that can help you. Would I like if you try out chocolate lotion too, it make it smell very good.
The man not like the pitney, because the man try with the pitney and the pitney refuse him. And you as a parent are going to shun your child. There's a lot to learn from Niah. Who watch video?
Hold on. So you are gonna know now, say your pitney, somebody want to kill your child, and because the man don't want him, they, go for your child, not even lay down on the floor with your child. That you tell me as a mother.
Then that me a talk about mama. A lot of these parents, they shunning their own child because of material value. You have a lot of these parents, them just see them pitney as a meal ticket,
That's true.
You have a lot of these parents, them just see them pitney as a meal ticket, And if the child, and if at some point the child used to give in to your demands, and at some point the child wise up and say, hey, listen, the love I'm giving is not being reciprocated, and the child wise up and say enough is enough, then the child become your enemy. They literally make the child become their enemy. And it's like them just care no more about the child well-being. But there's a lot to learn from this. There are a lot of mothers out there who no sooner pitney
No make no man and no woman come between you and your child. Remember your 9 months and you how much.
That's you know. If you never go for your child and you know, you tell me say, oh, you sleep at night.
You're Jamaican. Hey, listen me now, mama. Me is a Jamaican.
Let me know your chat. But me ask you now.
No, let me just, alright. You ask me a question. Me a 48 years old, me a Jamaican. Me not get no pitney. My father, 3 sons. The first one at 23. The second one at 15. The last one at 13. None of them are my pitney. A woman when me take up with them pitney and up until today, dear. Me and them mama they still argue. You know, in America and them day in Jamaica, me still put my foot under them boy and they can say, listen, you can't come turn no gunman. And me and them mother they argue because sometimes I call him, move over my man. So you hear man, him over him grandmother. I say, I never him granny get him and you get him. And me and them not there, you know. No, me and them not there, but them boy pity they are my one because me have them from my 2. One me have him from my 2 months, one from my 2-year-old, and one. All 3 of them. 2 of them father passed away. One of them father is a deadbeat. But me realize if me there a woman fear pitney and my responsibility.
That no man.
And me a woman what's best to that child no matter what. Me want what's best to that child no matter what. Me and one of my woman have a big fight one day, me and her left. And when me and her left, me call her, your man all week. And when me got me and her left, I'm still a take care of that child, because I call him my own. And when me got the yard, I see the pretty dirty in the yard. And I say, me call her, I say, where you there? Who me there, my man? Where you follow up me? I say, anytime I see a judgment, know your child life.
In a danger.
In danger. And
people just take it so.
And you are going to put whatever in front.
Whoa.
Me nah lie, I was a terrible child of Jamaica. Terrible. And when my mother see how things are going in Jamaica and she knows her son out on the street,
she should be off.
My mother called me and shut me off.
You know that me know what mother do?
My mother called me and give me the money and say, yo, call a person and find out how much for 2 tickets.
Look here.
My mother said, no. My mother said,
she said because her boyfriend at the yard, you crazy?
My mother know me can't get no visa. Find out how much for the 2 ticket. Call your uncle, beg him a traveling money. And my mother said, when me I come through border, and me, my mama, and my mother prayer and father God bring me through border. The bus we take the bus from Mexico City. And me and my mother, a 5 night me I travel for, and my mother stay up the entire 5 night on the bus.
That we know mommy do, man. You're crazy.
You're coming.
Big up mommy. Where the God choose it? When the mother them like big up. Come no man. When the mother once they hear say them want to kill them child, you're crazy. And you come out here beg money.
You never forget this. I yesterday me talk to a girl. The first time police, no found no mama Jamaica, who no make no pity what them is. The first time me ever get locked up, me at 15 and me and my friend them do something. And my mother come knock my bedroom door. Marcus, when you want for breakfast, I say, go on mommy, anything you know. You see next knock it knock. My mother walk me door at 2 police in a stripe. And my mother says, see him there, I near Marcus books, I him look for my mother because the life when me I live, she not can't do on it. Oops. Enough of them mama ya. If you pitney, now supply their needs and turn them back on them pitney and show.
Jesus.
That not make your mother. Not because you push out a child that not make your mother. You know how much woman out there has never got through labor yet, and there is more a mother to a child than the biological parent, because you're just a parent.
Alright, my people. Alright, just where this man a chat, every man chat. You see me I say, me wouldn't advise no parents for hear say man want dash with them son and put up that picnic. You're mad? Where you going to put yourself in a danger and the rest of people them will live there so? The way them youth here are move nowadays. Plus, them say Niah did a by GUN. Niah did one turn down. You understand? And say him a go through, him a go through, a man want analyze him, whatever. Or him still up on internet and him a this and this, that. You know what I mean? R.I.P. to him. You see me, I say, sorry for the loss. You know what I mean? Them shouldn't analyze him because although me don't know where him to forget analyze because a lot of story attack. You understand? The father run him out of the house. Why the father run him out? Must be a reason. You understand? Maybe the father run him out because him hear say boy him a move with the wrong set of people and him a get in a trouble and him no want him house become a target. You understand? So parents have to know say you have no big picnic, even young youth where nah hear and go the wrong way and get in a trouble. Do not make them stay at your place. You mad? You put yourself in a danger. So where this money I say the mother this and the mother that, the mother do the right thing. Make him stay out the road and pan him own angle him situation. You understand? Don't get involved in that. As a parent, you make picnic fight their own battle with them get themselves in. Me nah say every youth out there get trouble. You understand? We end up in the wrong thing. You understand where people are unalive and all of them, but you have to stay outside same way. You understand? So let me know what the thing with people I watch some more.
When you push out a picnic, you as a parent. When you nurture somebody, yes, have a good one. Yeah. When you nurture somebody and you look out for that person at all time, that's what make. I have mothers in Jamaica separate and apart from my biological mother.
Oh.
My mother have friend when me look up to her, me call them my mother.
The internet like months, they want to analyze me. You don't think the mother could get him out, like ship him away?
I'm gonna tell you this.
Because Anthony is telling me, Anthony, unmute your mic.
Yeah.
Where you said him a CPR live, repeat it again for who never hear.
So she said, why she not pick up her son? She hear from her son for her life. About the herbs in, why she not go for him? Her man live there.
Yeah, there.
Her man live in the house.
I left with you.
Why is one dead?
I left with you.
Me not got that one.
You're there.
You know, so sometimes I ask Father God, me a 48. I go through so much woman in my life. Why you never bless me with that child? A day that day, I sit down and I look on it and I say, Father God, you know, say if you did bless me with that child, maybe me would sit down behind bars and my pitney that be a orphan. Would maybe go the ends of the earth for my pitney. The ends of the earth. Maybe go the ends of the flesh of my flesh, blood of my blood. Oh, you are going to have your child and you're going to put, you're crazy. And there's a lot to learn from Niah. A lot of us, parents, children, friends. You have your friend, them envy, them bad mind, they down to the girl where you're there with. Spiritual aspect. Niah now go bury until Niah mission is complete. Niah start a journey while in my life. And him journey I go end when him pass. But Niah now go bury until everybody get the message when Niah that try pass on. Because there's a lot to learn from this. Niah not just gone, so you pass away. Me dey on the live tonight.
You see one for your life for me, see one life for you. Me dey on your life to you, see me?
On the live tonight when the youth pass away.
Yeah, man. I mean, think a clappers. I swear to God.
When me hear Azabi and when me hear him at tout Niah, me I say, the man you start them foolishness. And when me see the other person run off, the first thing me hear are the zinc. The person run off, and then Niah could have dropped on him face, you know. When Niah run off, Niah pitch on him face, you know. But
yeah,
him catch him stumbling, but the catch when him catch him stumbling, that slow him down.
Yeah.
So some make they are seal and get the best of him. Two things them. When me hear this, me say, really? And me dead upon the life, and then me hear the whole heap of Alabaloo. And me I said, Jano? And I sit down and I say, what go on a while ago? I want them youth here pull a stunt. Because you know people always pull them crazy stunts. And the next day when I see it, what I drop out of me, I say,
me I tell her, say God chose me cry like a baby. What me I said to you now, it's the point that the youth, while he was alive, he was asking for help. And nobody helped.
Problem, mama.
And now, well, and then God chosen, and now everybody know I come scrape because donation I give away, because that I give away, because this I give away. You know, and that's what I'm saying. When the mother say the boyfriend lived there, that's why she never go for the child. As Anthony come tell me, that is a disgrace.
Hey.
Moon come on internet come back nothing.
You know what song me hear playing on my head right now?
Moon come on internet come back nothing, lady.
A song where I act and sing. I want everybody right now play that song in them house. And when I not play that song, them want to slow it down. Don't listen to the rhythm, but listen to the message. Study your friend them, cause they must study you. Even the cat will say.
All right, cartoon.
You go through it now, you come out and but here why everybody never really pay attention to the youth because them know me as a joker. But when the youth are call out, you could when me watch a youth video and me I watch a youth and me see the youth are call out and me I say, yo, you know so that youth you that's send a subliminal message. But everybody that look at it as a
No, God choosing everybody saw the message because one of the time he went on Ivany live, he go up on a big rank of them, you know. Because as I said to them, a son, his mother is his first love and his last love.
Yes, I believe that's my one name tattoo from me.
A son, your child, cause your man did it. Lady, that not me can't situate.
But mama, I know she alone.
Can't situate.
Mama, I know she alone and there's a message. Mama, all of them mother ya, see them live ya and clean up them acts. Stop put man and woman in front of no pitney member on the 9 months on no belly pain. On the pitney want to know Jamaica society now go come back until real parents step up and start being mothers and fathers. Because you have a 12-year-old, his mother cuss him and class him every day, and a man up on a corner with a metric. Call him and say, come make and give you lunch money and nurture him and 2 times. Is either I'm telling him now fish or I'm telling him now gunman.
Honestly, when me I say God choosing, is that nobody not get it. Them, you know, how can you as a mother, as Anthony said, Anthony,
hey, don't grieve me no more. Do not
okay, how as you as a parent, Anthony,
as a parent.
And Anthony said she sit on her live and hear my ball for help. But she couldn't take it.
You see that? You see me?
Me go listen to the screen record and me go play it. You sit and hear live. Can you say you send me screen recording? So Anthony said the lady said she sit down on her live and you hear him a cry for help, but me couldn't take him because I'm a man. My man live on me yard and I you up on the internet, lady. I fight over body and I beg money. You crazy?
So what crazy? What all of them money that everybody donate towards Niah?
Over here, so.
Hey, stop following it up, you know. Because me hear the father come and take chain and take phone. Me hear everybody about CPR, so CPR ups because so here me do. Me just step away from the whole Niah situation and me I say, everybody I miss the message. Everybody pay attention to the messenger. The messenger is dead. Pay attention to the message.
Right.
Because everybody behave like this. Them a tarnish Niah career and them a tarnish Niah, you know. Niah turn angry because it's pure negativity surround this youth, you know. And Niah is a youth of negativity. It wasn't a youth of negativity. Them say most this and them say, but me never seen portray that on screen.
Right.
When me see him portray on screen, him free people, him issue this, him help that. Me see him try.
Yeah, but God choosing, you can't use film child as pan to fool the public and collect money.
Alright, people. Me don't want to sound like say me not really did want Niah get no help or them way they know. Cause enough little youth and get a youth me see get unalive them way they still, you know. Some of them like them see the badness and love the lifestyle. You understand? And them don't know the root about this. Badness are frig with the people. Real frig. Me no want cuss still, you know. Badness are really free, you know, people. Me are telling you, you know. But some youth go see water and go dip them foot in it and never know say so it stay. You understand? Niah, you know, maybe Niah make a little money. You have bad mind people round the cut. You have bad people round the cut and something and them see what go on with him and want some of it. You know what I mean? He maybe get catch up with somebody and you know what I mean, cause we hear him and people are cusp on live, you know, in him community and him always I say ray. Him say people bad mind him think cold stove. Him say a lot of things. Maybe him have a one machine and him don't know say machine is not life. You see me I say I don't like say you buy life. Machine is just for a moment. And once people know say you have a machine, you become a target. Because some people, when them have a machine, them don't know how to calm and easy themselves. Like them not have it. Them want to exalt themselves for enough people. You understand? I have some people where them not take certain this or whatever. Them are going to analyze you. You see me I say? So, you see Niah, you know, me people, Niah me feel like say the G just get caught up in a badness. Him see it, dip him foot in it, and him get wet up. Wet up meaning him get engulfed in it or engulfed over him. See? And by the time him realize what is and say him should get in it or even buy a machine, I don't know for sure if him buy a machine, everything just turn ugly. You see me I say? So to all of the youths them out there will see badness. Badness is not as cool as you see it. Badness involve analyzing, drama, all type of crafties, destruction, everything that is bad. There's no good that can come out of badness. Me I tell you that. You see me I say you see people get rich and ray. Enough of them get rich out of badness but them not enjoy it. You see me I say enough of them when you see them get rich and sitting, check how much people them lose and what them are go through as far as PTSD. You understand? Badness are foolish. Me I tell you that. So if you see it over upon the left, go over upon the right. R.I.P. to Niah. But I don't like say, you know what I mean, we are saying Niah our evil person. You understand? Niah maybe see the lifestyle and him love it like enough ghetto youths and that take him out. So when me hear the man here say his mother should have, you mad how the mother fi make him man come in my yard with she and her man. Fi go mash up every little thing, a man want analyze him. No man, Niah a big man, he want make money on TikTok. Him coulda get a place rent and move from which part him there. You understand? It's sad how him get take out. R.I.P. to him. But people make me know what to think we watch some more.
And they pick the school fee up here. Over here, so me have to raise money. What you say?
Uma, as me just
Me have all of the WhatsApp them and the voice note them.
hello.
You can't use it the pitney as pan.
I just said to you, there is a lot to learn from this. And I hope everybody is learning.
So wait there. She looks like Niah's daughter. My love, and that's Niah's daughter. Well, Niah's daughter sweet. Let's see our daughter, but
Hi,
what's up?
fine. You're good?
Let's so link you back. Circle me back. Circle me. Circle me. Different thing here right now. People don't get to the account up. It's begging time. We need $500 tonight. We have to buy Derek 2 shirt, size medium, and 2 shorts. Remember, if I don't buy these things for Derek, he's gonna dip up underneath everything women have. So, please get $2 and $5 ready.
Man, I the funny with all. Man, I the funny with all. Yeah, you know. But the funny with all days today, I just saw shopping and thing. So now we just
okay, everybody power tap. Well, she's sweet, she's sweet. My chat is going crazy over you. They're saying that you're cute. Take a look in my chat.
You can't look before the next one dead. Oh, tequila. Yo, where that next chat? Let me see that next chat.
Sagittarius said nice to my never stop because they might think of me a state. They're going to record me.
Oh, yeah, you some handsome.
Look here, sir. May I tell you what the people that are saying in my chat? Sagittarius says she wants you. So are you taken? You single, married, what?
Single at the moment.
Bling, all what you want him. Tracy, me don't tell us something about me. Anything me want me get. Yeah, Tracy, moderator move that girl.
Me supporters, you know.
Move that girl here, moderator.
I want the girl to support me. I love you.
Out of order. You're rude and bright, but want. You can't see me I wait for divorce and you come and tell me foolishness. Lady, move. Before you start to me and cry with me and pray for me, and so you come stress me out.
See that my screen? Everybody power tap the screen. Power tap the screen.
Come on, chat. Everybody power tap. Them say I look some gift.
I can show it down in place. Now make up a score. Look up a score.
So why you did that all this time? Whatever did see you?
We did Canada.
So where you there now? You come to Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica now. Currently in Jamaica, you know.
Okay. Chat, everybody power tap. The little girl is so cute.
Yeah, but you know, me did Canada for the longest time, you know. So cause me and I separate, you know, and they go different countries too.
Okay, so chat, this not look good. The score is not scoring. You know me out here.
Chat.
Please stop it.
Chat shoot. You're ready, but you're ready, but I'm really sure for me. Yeah. I can't get one. Go over me.
They can't get back to me.
I'm ready back to you.
So look here. So Niah, brother.
Yeah. Come, go talk to her. Look, shut talk to me.
That's where I look up in the payment at them. Please
Yeah,
answer.
we're asking now.
Everybody we are asking for recharge and send something to give us. So your little niece loves you. Why you don't take her with you to Canada?
Yeah, so everybody come one time, you know.
Okay. You and Niah have
Same dad.
You and Niah have the same mom, same dad? Okay.
You know? I never seen that, but now I grew up with my dad. I grew up with my mother, you know?
So Niah is older than you? Who's older? You or Niah? Why me know Niah me dog, you know, but me can't see Niah if look on him. No. Niah look like older to me.
Me older, man.
You know say you favor your father.
I joke, man, me younger man. Joke, man, me younger man.
Yeah, Niah look older to me. You favor your father, you know. Anybody ever tell you?
Yeah, so I cut my beard today. And that's why too. If you see me with the beard, I say I look like my father even more.
Alright, so as we say, people, you know what I mean, it's just a sad situation how this youth here get unalive, and more that say yo, them deem in one of the wickedest way upon him live brawling. So seeing, so what me would I want to say, you know, is like, you see, me see somebody did come out and them say something like them I say, you know, now you know nobody fi bad with. I'm alone just did a bad in him family and them way there. Me tell you something, man. You say if you don't have bad family where we fight back for you, or where man we see and say, you know, say before me go do that youth or something, me have to think about it because in family we come mash up me and my family them love badness. If you're not born in it, you know, in general, mother tell a man say love badness, but you have some man who born and inherit some family badness, born and inherit some community badness. Them have choices, you know, but them take it up and decide say them a push it. You see me I say Niah, him never really did have no family beef or go on with a badness and him a push it in a community. Him just see it, love it, take it up, buy a machine and right away have some youth a power back him and them wear it. That's just what me I see. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion. Man see it and I say okay, well, maybe him this a one man whatever happen. You see me? Because a whole heap of different story we are here. And a man I say, I thought Niah them want nobody. Make we go dash him away. And just like that. You see me I say, so me I tell a man say, yo, you know what, life not really worth nothing in a Jamaica, you know. A man we analyze you for nothing at all. You see me I say, a man we put a little dollar per head and analyze you just because him not like maybe something what you do. You know what I mean? So you have to just be careful and stay far from badness and people in general, because you have some people who just, you know what I mean, bad luck. You see me? The lazy little thing, they want war, they want analyze. You understand? Because that a feed them lifestyle. And I don't feel lifestyle that. You understand? So people just make me know what you think. You know what I mean? Because this thing here with Niah, it's stretched to a way where even the father get this, the mother get this, the mother get blame, the father get blame, everybody get blame. You understand? But who them to blame are the person who analyze him, because them never really have to do it. Although me don't know exactly what go on with Niah, why them analyze him. As me say a whole heap of different story we are here. So let me know what I think.
See my shoes on way come up other shoes I'm wear.
What size that? Big it now?
You wear size 14 plus GC. Jamaica tax that I there Belgium. Yeah.
I cannot say that. Me love that shoot that. It look like the spaceship them up so.
Yeah, the one them up so. Don't go no further. Just stop this so. Cause you tend to be very rude. And you don't know that me I work for my doctorate. Yes, Shay, my love.
Don't come back, man.
Just stop. Come on, don't.
Run off, man.
No, come on. She my married.
To all the manager that Jesus Christ, I want difference. I can't say it.
What you say?
The man will drive the Audi.
Yes.
And that's why you smile so y'all are glow up. I love money. Come here, man. You love too much man. Come here, man. Why your head? Why your head, man? Why you think about man?
Say stop.
Why you dream about man?
Say stop. Come on, stop. Say I'm gonna know.
You love man bad. Oh, Jesus. I have a fear this. He could invite me at the local witness, sir.
Many years, Rosalie tell me say you can't move from Belgium. That's why you couldn't be this thing. So why not big up yourself?
I never know say I can't move.
I saw me here to get a grapevine, yeah. I never know how to shoot it, maybe they want to fast their business, so I just stick with them, say.
No, I never know say I can't move, so why I can't move?
Them say you know legality.
How will you say?
I saw me here.
So how that possible? Where's wrong? Then me didn't know say me no legality.
No, you don't know nothing more with them and chat, you say, my love.
Jesus.
So she will haven't seen you for years. You know your body already?
No, next month. Come now, your class me, no, next month.
Lord, you know your body, man, anxiety alone keep you in a coma. Can you have freak with them, I go say about you?
No, you're crazy. My mama look good already.
Band away there, they never band drop like whole shit like Rosalie.
Right. Pluck off. Come never buy pluck.
Right?
Yeah, me never band away there. Crazy.
My friend, they are drink Don Julio. Me not drink nothing but something.
You're there on a mission. Why a mission tonight?
You see how big the back like NSCB?
This come like remind me your birthday again. Oh,
Vegas, that's what I'm saying. That's the same thing Artie said. Artie said to me that, hey, Artie said, bitch, what you doing this weekend? I said, I got no plans for this weekend. He said, okay, fly. And for such, I am doing all the Vegas stuff over again. Can you imagine?
yeah, it's like you relive your birthday again.
Oh my God, it's like so crazy to me.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh God, I'm saying, I've been so intoxicated since I can't even help myself.
Oh my God.
Oh, you got cold or silence?
It look like it look like at that time then Alabama and
Shay, at this Rosalie eating at this.
yeah.
You that chat me? Or you move so like you that chat me a while ago?
No, I can't chat you. You crazy?
Oh,
Chat
sure.
your friend name, no?
I show me see like you did half key.
No, I can't do that.
Your body look like it has sing and I remember the words. So when I come in.
Come stop me.
Alright. And then stop me because I say I have my file.
You know what kind of file before I love you? They give
Hey, so you come from my life, you address me as Miss Auntie or Miss Shebby. Because you see, you know, you're a little girl. Me no want no big old girl on the internet say you know nothing about me. And oh yes, yeah, run with it. Yeah, run with it. An enemy of my enemy is my friend. My enemy of a friend was a lead.
You cannot do that. You want me burn down the blood clot internet.
Ouch! Ouch!
Yes! I was burned.
Remember you saw my man communicate, don't burn it.
Oh, come
Burn around it.
The roof is on fire. We don't need a mother. Burn! No man, maybe jumping up. In favor, girls up here. Come back.
Alright, so you know me have to go now a little bit of Shebada, cause you know Shebada having fans them same way. So yeah, my people, Shebada that are foreign, I live him best life. I beat him liquor and I go on with himself. You see me? I want thing Shebada is a little blood clot alcoholic. If you never know, you know, you know better know, so I want to call alcoholic. Like myself, yeah. But you know what I mean? Let me know what they think, my people. We're gonna move on to the next.
I show my body not set yet.
My granddad, so you feel my grasshopper, stand up. Oh. So give me, so Dan who, how it pronounce?
Dan who I look for you?
Dan who I look for you and what you're drinking?
Me I drink anything, my friend is drinking Dan Julio.
Anything raw?
No, I'm not drinking it raw, I'm drinking red cranberry since I'm working on my prostate.
And no ice, you Shay?
No ice. Me I drink it out for the gas too. Prostate and gas must not collide. No money gets it for laugh, little girl. You need to pull you down.
Never.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
This a mad Rosalie. This a mad Rosalie. Eat your heart out and beat Jay. This a mad yo. This a mad yo. Dirty Rosalie. So cocky. Under 25 watts. Yeah, Rosalie suckled under low voltage. When Rosalie is suckled like dim. Rosalie, this a beat you bad. She said for me take it from my program, my views drop. Is that charm?
No, never.
Okay, cause you know me, a one girl that came about views.
No, right.
Okay.
You know.
If I want somebody do me happy.
Right.
I mean, many people.
They have abuse problem.
Yeah, them have a, Rosalie don't have a abuse problem. She have a dirt problem. Check on that bed. Oh.
Checking at the corner.
Rosalie bank account supposed to name deposit sand.
Deposit dirt.
Me say, girl, if you ever pick out that and count it, you don't stop. Your generation ever continue.
Dirt.
You can imagine a long time Rosalie in a dream, that's why you're such a torment. You can imagine them say when shoes under your bed you can't dream, then when dirt under your bed you in a coma. No, but yeah, old people say when shoes under your bed you can't dream. I lie me I tell.
I don't lie. And when dirt and imagine coma machine and when dirt and
coma man, Rosalie supposed to knock out and hear everybody attack and can't answer. But you, me not ask you, I want come for me. No man, my body look good if I'm fine hardy. Me look like me in all muscles down.
Yeah, I get muscle, you still foreign.
Yo, same time I come a foreign Shay, I always in a pum pum vibes. True.
Yeah.
Just
yeah. Bobo. That one you fit here though.
Yo, he said to my love pum pum me that near it. Yo, my girl, my kiss put when me I go to bed and suck it when I wake up.
Excuse me?
What do you mean excuse you? Want to suck it to save it alive?
It's sweet.
The rampant pum pum. Yeah, play. Yo, you play with my badness, Shay. No man, you're ramp with my badness. Yo, man, tell you something.
Yeah.
So, oh, banana is sweet. Man, just sit down so I look on it, you know. Yo, Shay. Let me tell you this. Them say banana quick, but my wing to it. My wink. So it quick that some me a wink.
Yeah.
Mash it up. Me that nyam pum pum with my eyelid. Me a tell you the truth.
Yeah. Bobo. When you fit you.
Family yard, them are gonna make you happy. Thank God you reach in a foreign. And in the second week, them tell you go look at work. But I same thing stranger do. But the straight me understand why they understand stranger. Me never expect the stranger to make me live with him for the whole time. Chat with me up, guys, them minor bro. Sometimes when you see me on the YouTube and them stuff, guys, I am here alone. I just that me want to understand, bro. I don't have no family here. Me have family are we are New York. Them only family me call family right now are better than and Leng. I don't know me too cause of them. Me and a family like me can call and say, yo, wow, go on cause come give me a link, come this. No, bro, everybody is at Jamaica who me grow with as my family, bro. Them people with their friend all long, them one of my family, bro. And that them hate me for, bro, because me say, yo, I grow up as stranger, me say. Them vex for that. Bro, if me that grow up, I give my mother 15 grand 2 weeks. I my mother collect 2 rent for 2 months. You stop the rent. I help my mother pay the CXC them. And that's really walk there, I can tell people say help. Help brother if you dead in my life for my father dead. Cause my father to Uno was a good brother to Uno. Love Uno, take care of Uno and be there for Uno. And I remember cousin at Marvelly. Jesus, I know she go through all it down there. And fair uncle, fair my father dead first, then fair father got dead. I know she go through all it, bro. You can't vex with me if me say that, bro. You can't vex with me if me say, yo, I just change and help me, bro. Me know what I mean, dog. When you help me, yes, but dog, it's not like say, yo, dog, I'm a mother, me see more, bro. Me see my mother more. Me can't lie. And them know of themselves, bro. You know, guys, I just the truth, bro. And them do for me that, me accept it, bro. But you can't vex with me if me say, yo, as stranger help me the most. That's true. Let me go for a real dog like me never know him. Me never know him, bro. Let me just get my daughter, bro. Me there in a rascal. Me a cook pan rascal hot plate. You never know. Me have outside bathroom. Me have bed. The woman next door can rascal look through the board and see me cocky. You never know. So you can't vex, bro. So what do you mean, got Jamaica? Alright, what I go say a woman said that sound ungrateful when me I say, oh, if you say ungrateful, alright. If you say so ungrateful, that's your opinion. I can't fight what you are, so that's your opinion. Me and the family, me and the nephew. Me come, so when me come at
Alright, people, to me, Sicily like a person with all grudges. You see me I say, if him not good with you, he might go keep that energy there. You understand? If him feel like you do him wrong or you could have played a better role in his life and you not do it, he might go really have you up and you are going to know and like say he might go hide it. You understand me I say? But Sicily being in foreign, you know, I think him should understand enough of the people them that are foreign and how them life set up and how foreign life set up. You understand? So him say them should have been in him life more, maybe him attack like being there if you call and say if you're alright and ray. Him not really appreciate that financially because he must understand how foreign run by now as a person who live in a foreign. You understand? So the people them when him say they are foreign and him not count them as family. We would say still everybody kinda have them life to live, you know, and money now and pick up a foreign. You see me more while the people them are foreign and are more stressed than the people them are Jamaica because you can go your neighbor and go look something, you can go across the road and go look something and whatever. Them can't do it. Them have to dip on them P's and Q's. You understand? Them have to work hard to achieve and bills lick them a month time like what? So I feel like Sicily if you pre back over what you must say and come better. You understand? Because if a family member not do you nothing bad, you see me I say, I don't think you should have them up the way how him me feel like cut off him family them. You see me? So make watch some more people and want to tell me what to think.
Me can say, me I go for my daughter, make me and my daughter sleep at Marvelly. Suppose God never bless me in a friend. Suppose I want me that struggle up here and say me I got Jamaica now for one look of vacation if I go sleep. I want me go a tile and Ross Club. Tile me go see alone at the house. Just a gone, bed gone, TV gone, everything gone. How you da feel yourself? Your own family do that. So because me not come and say you help me pay school fee, help me this one at a time, you vex and choke me things. You could have do worse than that. A good thing I never rascal at Ashley Furniture when I spend all 500,000 and 1.1 million pound furniture. Look at him, never was an idiot. Make send my mother go to go buy one dresser. Suppose I have some dear furniture me buy work from Ashley and Courts and I pay down upon them. What cost all 500,000 just so what cost all 100,000. What would that say to me? Yeah, dog, they hurt me, dog. My family, they hurt me, bro. They hurt me, dog. I know my father turned in them grave, dog. But I just not forgive them, bro. Me not hate them, though. But I just not forgive them for them, though. Never forgive them. Never, bro. And that's why I'm humble, so dog. Because I see family take me for idiot. Friend take me for idiot. And when I find out, dog, you see you guys, don't give in, bro. And everybody want to see come around, bro, and give in to them, yeah? Don't give in to everybody and give everybody strength. And that me learn. Sometimes when you say me can't say no, guys, because I'm not that person, bro. I like help people, bro. Me don't know if you say no. And if I want to say it at the tip of my tongue, I go change my mind. And say, yo, come. I can't say no, bro. I can't say no, dog. Father God, you know for do what do to them, alright. Father God, you know for do to them, team. And that's why I see me just humble, so dog. Because guys, today you can day up, you know, bro. And tomorrow you cannot have nothing, bro. Me not hype, bro. Me never try hype, bro. If no matter what, bro. Me never try boast. They never see me try boast or brag on people yet, bro. Never. Never, bro. If me just know say I play fake with me, bro, me go just tell you the truth, bro. Stay there, lane. Me don't know them hype thing, bro. Me don't know for brag, bro. Never, bro. Me just laugh and move on, bro. Never yet, bro. I mean, I know for them something like that. Because I come from zero, bro. Just like how God take you from 0 and put you at 100, God can take you back from 100 and put you back at 0. So you have to know what you're doing in life, bro. Me young dad, but me learn wally, bro. Me not try to live for the internet, me try to live for me. Me not try to see nobody with nothing, bro, and try to compete against them. Me try to compete against me. What me not have me do without, and call it a day, bro. I'm go at my own time. So me live, dog, and I right way to live, bro. So me live, dog. Me not try to fit in with everything, bro. When me not have that, I just normal out. I know so I say, yeah, man. Everybody have them time. I just when you get your time when you do it. Yeah, bro. No one see people with that. I'm not glad for, like, glad. I say, oh, sister, you need to get that. No. You don't need it. I mean, if life teach me, like, see, sometimes, like, I don't know better. Sometimes, bro, that's why I like life, bro. Your life and your community and your team is something good where you can vent to, bro. People can listen to you and learn from you. People go through where you go through. You see me? People go through where you go through, dog. People know like hard life, bro. Life real, bro. And a joke thing, bro. I'm not take life as joke, brother. Life a real thing. A real thing I go out there, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. Real thing I go out there, brother. Real thing, bro.
$150. No, you will get $750 per. Oh, $750, you say? Yeah. Oh. So if you're $750 US. No, you remember me get my set salary, you know. I am a federal agent, you know. You over get it. Once they give us the information, where the people them there, their name, you over get the money.
Alright, my people, so more talk about the Sicily situation some more. You know what I mean? It's like you have to learn to forgive people because you as a human being, we are prone to error. You see me, I say maybe you're not going to do certain things like what your family them do, but anything can happen at any time and I know you're going to want somebody to forgive you. You understand me, I say? So never say never. Say at this moment, you know what I mean, other way that you feel. You see me? Because people are going to do whatever them do and them are going to find a reason to justify what them do. It not going to mean say it right, you know, but them are going to find a way to justify what them do. You have to thank them for what them do for you. You understand? Because they did things for you. And that not so bad that you cannot forgive them. You understand? Maybe them say you have money and whatever, you understand, you have to thank the Almighty say in that position the way you have to think about going back there. You see me? So people make me know what to think. I watch look a bit of where we're going on with.
No, but hear me and say my boss. Yeah, hear me? Yeah. Tomorrow morning. Party at them. One on one ball field, link them in there. Right now? You know, then tomorrow morning, them go there play ball. Big man, I'm shit. I tell you, I said, no, you can't stay there. But you can't go and beat up on the gum. Yeah. So, back Stevie. Yeah. Tomorrow, me have 40 of them. 40? My birthday tomorrow morning. Me know me can catch about 35 tonight, but I want to catch it 40 times. 750. 30,000. So when me I get it 30,000? 3 working days after. No, me can't work with that, my boss. My son never work there. You can't work with that, my boss. Remember, sir, when the money was sent, remember, sir, I work with that, my boss. But I want cash. I cash me work with. Yeah, so that's like name in a bank sitting. Because we don't like nothing come back to me. I mean, me don't want no business I pay. Business I pay tax. Out of money wanna give me already. Yeah, remember cash. Here where you do back, Stevie. Tell them to give a check in your name. And you change it. And you say you change it, you have a party cash. You just link me and just carry around there. Yeah. Yes, I just kind. Because I tell a thumbs up. Everybody you touch. And you look back side of the car. They said so. Yo, watch out now. A green card holder, me I send one back to you, know. Yeah. Green, it come like phone card at Jamaica, run out more time. So me, yeah, I'm gonna give them flight without paying a ticket too. So you send one green card holder? Yeah, it's once you have three misdemeanor, automatically it's a felony. You see me? And I have to deport them back. When me get think nobody don't want to travel come my yard. When me get think nobody don't want to left and come my yard. Big woman thing. Remember say I book you off, you know, just like me, you know, so you don't have nothing to worry about, you know. But Stevie, me not book a green card me have. Green card you have? Yeah, basement there, Florida. No, yes, there. Yep, addicts. No. So where you gonna hide? Me not have to hide. Me a taxpayer. Yeah, no. You know, say me deport to a man when I'm 60 and over there go back to Jamaica and I pay tax. How much am I paying a tax? Him there for 40 odd years. I mean, deport him said, yeah, I'm about long in a jail right now. No, me a good taxpayer. You're a good tax. You're not nothing to worry about it. So, hear me I say. Off the record. Yeah. Everybody in the ex-gang, good door. Come like collect money for it, you know. Everybody good over here, man. Bumbakla! Jaja. Ex-gang, look good. Yeah, man, everybody over here good, man. Yo. Everybody over here good. We don't worry about nothing. You see me? I'm going to make sure, say, you get for your check. And what about 1 working day? It's good for you? 1 working day is good for you. But I know the IRS have to take for them, look. Yes. Well, John was, you're a good taxpayer, father, man. You're a good taxpayer. But some TikTok a pop up on the radar, you know. Yeah.
Can you get EMS over here?
Alright, you know me I say lady, you me I say lady, me I do something so get back to you. Father, watch you know. You see, yo, we not like father, this is a badger. We love it than the 14 parish in Jamaica, now 15 over 4 more. Father, you know, long. When we did in the army, you know, see there, we serve and protect the US already. We got Iraq, we got Afghanistan, we got all of them things, them nearly mad out. Yeah, I'm come back. Yeah, man. We serve the US well.
Say I did too much for the picture then.
That be that one young soldier. Them tell me about 27. I'm do my time, I'm 39 now. Yeah, and you know, me tell me say, oh, thanks to my service. We could have mother road and I live a roadside, you know.
No, thanks to your service, huh? So when I left the army, I go back a yard.
No, I left the army, you know what I mean? US State Department call me and say, yo, them have a job position for me. You see me? And, you know, me forward in, I know, me a Trump top ICE agent. You see me? I mean,
Hey, all we have to say, that picture that we show a while ago is an AI generated picture. Box TV a liar. Lie up. So, you go on the people, I'm going to move on to the next. See, tell more the thing.
Yeah. So me now go ever want me a bit no more wishes come put up on TikTok. You must be mad. I mean I go come back when you come beg nobody either. I mean if you do a post video them and make TikTok pay me. I say Father God as long as you blow breath in a lady pay. Me I beg you do that me come on TikTok come beg because me are the only somebody we come beg on social media. And I'm could have beg from morning till night. Them now look. They will come over here if you come fast. Or they look the same people when you say why you not even tap the screen. Then go somewhere else and I found no money in my love so then go get uno one give. But some people I'm soon no give, we not deserve it. They get me and me, you deserve it. You know, now look on, but you come over here, come ask a question. But I tell no motherfucker something now. Father God, me no want cuss today, and I'm not come body today. You know, come out of my inbox. Me no want to my dead woman ask about vow because some people ask about vow or they have somebody else's life I give them. That's why sometimes when I message when I ask about job and vow I don't look on the corner the same when I message me ask a question, me soon upon people life I give them. So me too good to get on the gift. Me too good to get to no gift, but me not too good for in my inbox to ask a question about job and vow and all sort of them shit there. And don't ask for nothing because all if me know if me go to road tomorrow and them say they want to live in help and me could have come on TikTok come talking, me not going to come talk when call me selfish. And enough time I see my Yankee friend them post up so them want somebody to take somebody with live in, you know them go cheap, them pay them cheaper because they no papers to get me. And enough time me dey on road here and me see them say live in help I wanted. I'm gonna come on TikTok and say guys, them want live in help. Me not come here come tell nobody wanna go suffer with me. Yeah, well we are suffer together. It's not too good. Me too good to get rose and top salt and them something there, but me not too good to come on and say guys, if you want a job, this place is giving away a living job. You me, I will never come on this blood clot and come talk about right now my friend with their Maryland. She know one woman who wants somebody to take care of her mother. And she text me and say, Lady P, you know nobody who want to live in work. And me tell herself me didn't know them I got dead for hungry pan blood clot. This cause I will know me not going to say yes. Nobody paying to ask me nothing because I will know. I will not 20 somebody who want to live in help and I can give 20 Jamaica and them pan TikTok. And blood clot good number because you like me pan this and you don't support me. Enough time. Remember me just come in that country you know, so I'm still fresh. And enough time people reach out to me and say, you know, anybody that do babysitting in New Jersey, I'm gonna come to my live and say, guys, if you're just coming to Jamaica in American in the papers, the perks you want living helper $600 a week, $700 a week, 2, 3, 4 baby. Enough time they reach out to me and say, me tell them no. Me not turn on my life and come ask somebody if they want to live in Jamaica. When you come and ask me now, I tell you so me don't know them. Yeah, I want next door to me the work there. I don't can come live and me not come tell them on social media no go. Then I say, why am I supposed to look out to Uno and not even one tap the screen when you come to my life, not even sometimes I may have to tap my own screen. Sometimes I may have to, anybody comment about them, nobody for work, I'm going to mute them because nobody per my section, nobody ready mute. Moderator, anybody comment to them, I look for people for work, mute them. This is not a job advertisement, blood clot page. On can't message a big TikTok, on can't message a big TikTok and them and ask them about work, because they not look for but to now inbox me and ask me about work or not. If you want to tap up my steam and not come for my live, me post all my video them, you think me not see them something there? Hey, me post all my video them, what me look me see me get 30,000 views, 20,000 views, embarrassed blood clot meant 30,000 views or 100 likes. Oh, the blood clot mad. Okay. You not like me. But I look me see my video them when I come. 30,000 views, 100,000 views, 50,000 views, 200 likes. I don't understand what kind of balance in the equation that, because this impossible somebody get 30,000 views and not even 100 likes good. 50 likes? Why taking for us tap the blood class screen and come so toops? Why taking for us come so toops? What had not us toops in the cream? Me don't know.